Hey Popaholics, Dr. Pimple Popper here, but today we're diving deep below the belt to talk about something that affects so many women: vaginal dryness. You know, that uncomfortable, sometimes even painful feeling? It can really put a damper on your day, let alone your love life. We're going to explore 10 scientifically proven treatments, from simple things you can do at home to treatments you can discuss with your doctor. So whether you're dealing with hormonal changes, menopause, or any other reason for dryness, stick around because we're about to get you back on track to feeling your best. Let's start with the basics. Vaginal moisturizers. Think of them like a tall glass of water for your lady parts. They work by drawing moisture into the vaginal tissues, plumping them up and restoring that natural elasticity. You can use them a few times a week or even daily, depending on your needs. They're perfectly safe to use with condoms. For my patients who are going through menopause or are postmenopausal, I often recommend vaginal moisturizers as a first line of defense against dryness. If dryness is making intimacy uncomfortable or even painful, then vaginal lubricants are your new best friend. They come in all sorts of formulas, but I always recommend water-based lubricants because they're the least likely to cause irritation. Think of lubricants like the WD-40 of the bedroom. Minimal systemic absorption. DHEA, short for dehydroepiandrosterone, is a hormone that's naturally produced by your body. DHEA vaginal suppositories are FDA approved specifically for treating moderate to severe vaginal atrophy, a common condition in postmenopausal women that causes dryness, thinning, and inflammation. This can lead to improved blood flow, enhanced lubrication, and even increased elasticity. Ospemifene, also known as a SERM, or selective estrogen receptor modulator, is a medication that acts like estrogen in certain parts of the body, including the vagina. Ospemifene helps to restore vaginal tissue thickness and moisture, making intimacy more comfortable. You've probably heard of hyaluronic acid before, especially if you're into skincare. Hyaluronic acid helps to attract and retain moisture in the vaginal tissues, improving both lubrication and elasticity. For women looking for a more long-term solution to vaginal dryness, laser therapy and radiofrequency therapy have emerged as promising treatments. These non-invasive procedures use targeted energy to stimulate collagen production in the vaginal tissues. By boosting collagen production, laser and radiofrequency therapy can help to thicken the vaginal walls, improve lubrication, and reduce dryness. These treatments typically require a series of sessions, and the results can last for several months or even years. Believe it or not, what you eat can also impact your vaginal health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit vaginal tissues. Vitamin D helps to maintain the integrity of the vaginal lining and promotes healthy hormone balance. You've probably heard of Kegel exercises, but have you ever considered pelvic floor physical therapy? Just like any other muscle in our body, the pelvic floor muscles can weaken over time. Pelvic floor physical therapy involves working with a trained therapist to strengthen and tone the pelvic floor muscles, improving blood flow to the vaginal tissues. Let's talk about some simple lifestyle and dietary modifications that can make a big difference in your vaginal health. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for overall hydration, including vaginal moisture. Avoiding harsh soaps, douches, and feminine hygiene products can also help to maintain a healthy vaginal pH balance and prevent irritation. So there you have it, Popaholics. We've covered 10 proven treatments for vaginal dryness, from simple home remedies to more advanced medical procedures. Remember, you don't have to suffer in silence. Talk to your doctor about which options might be right for you and get ready to reclaim your comfort and confidence. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and tricks to help you look and feel your best from head to toe.